Flamingo, all-in-one, term book, with Hindi. Class 5th. Semester 1. Social Studies. Chapter 1. The Earth as a Globe. The Earth, Basic Facts. The Earth is the only known planet in the universe where life exists. It is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest among the 8 planets in the solar system. Earth is called the blue planet because about 71% of its surface is covered with water, oceans, seas, rivers, bays, gulfs, and lakes. From space, Earth appears as a blue ball. It was formed about 4.54 billion years ago, and life appeared on its surface about 3.5 billion years ago. There are 4 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Arctic, and 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe, North America, South America, and Antarctica. Landforms and continents. Only 1/3 of Earth is land. The Earth is divided into 7 huge landmasses called continents: Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe, North America, South America, and Antarctica. The land on Earth is not uniform. It has different landforms such as plains, hills, plateaus, and mountains. Plains are flat, low-lying areas, hills are elevated but smaller than mountains, plateaus are flat-topped elevated areas, and mountains are the highest landforms. This variety of landforms across the 7 continents gives Earth its diverse geography, supporting different climates, vegetation, wildlife, and human civilizations around the world. Shape of the Earth. About 500 years ago, people believed the Earth was flat. It was Nicolaus Copernicus, a Polish astronomer, who first proposed the theory that the Earth is spherical in shape, like a ball. Though most people rejected his theory at the time, later scientific research proved him correct. Today, we know from photographs taken from space that the Earth indeed appears as a round ball. The Earth's spherical shape causes day and night, the changing of seasons, and the variation in sunlight received at different parts of the Earth throughout the year. Globe. A model of the Earth. A globe is a 3-dimensional, spherical true model of the Earth. It helps us understand important features of the Earth, including its shape, continents, oceans, and imaginary lines. Key features shown on a globe include the poles, north and south, the axis, an imaginary line joining the 2 poles around which Earth rotates, the equator, an imaginary horizontal line dividing Earth into northern and southern hemispheres, latitudes, longitudes, and other special lines. A globe gives the most accurate representation of the Earth's surface compared to any flat map, making it a very important geographical tool. Poles, axis, and equator. The 2 endpoints of a globe are called the poles, the North Pole at the top and the South Pole at the bottom. The imaginary line joining both poles through the center of the Earth is called the axis, and the Earth rotates on this axis. The equator is an imaginary horizontal line running from west to east, exactly in the middle of the globe between the 2 poles. It divides the Earth into 2 equal halves called hemispheres, the northern hemisphere, north of the equator, and the southern hemisphere, south of the equator. The equator is represented by 0 degrees. Latitudes, parallels. Latitudes are imaginary horizontal lines running east to west on the globe, parallel to the equator. They are also called parallels of latitude or simply parallels. Latitudes help determine whether a place is north or south of the equator. Key facts about latitudes. They are measured in degrees from 0 degrees, equator, to 90 degrees in each hemisphere. They decrease in size towards the poles. Northern Hemisphere latitudes are marked N and Southern Hemisphere latitudes are marked S. Special latitudes include the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees north, Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south, Arctic Circle, 66.5 degrees north, and Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degrees south. Longitudes, meridians. Longitudes are imaginary semicircles running from the North Pole to the South Pole on the globe. They are also called meridians of longitude or meridians. There are 360 longitudes in total, all of equal length. The longitude at 0 degrees is called the prime meridian, which passes through Greenwich, near London, UK. The prime meridian and its opposite, the 180th meridian, together form a great circle that divides the Earth into the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Each hemisphere has 180 meridians. Eastern hemisphere meridians are marked E and western ones are marked W. International Dateline, IDL. The International Dateline, IDL, is the meridian at 180 degrees longitude, exactly opposite the prime meridian, 0 degrees. It is the line where the date changes when one crosses it while traveling east or west. When crossing the IDL from west to east, one must subtract 24 hours, go back 1 day. When crossing from east to west, one must add 24 hours, go forward 1 day. The IDL runs mostly through the Pacific Ocean and is not a perfectly straight line. It bends to avoid dividing countries or island groups across 2 different calendar dates. Locating places using grid. Latitudes and longitudes together form a grid that covers the entire Earth's surface on the globe. This grid helps us describe and locate the exact position of any place on Earth. Each place has its specific latitude and longitude. The point where these 2 lines intersect on the grid is the precise location of that place. For example, India is located at latitude 22 degrees 00 north and longitude 77 degrees 00 west. New Delhi's coordinates are 28 degrees 36 feet north and 77 degrees 12 feet west, placing it in the northern hemisphere. This system of coordinates is universally used in geography, navigation, and modern GPS technology.